cleared it?
Yeah.
What up, people? We're vlogging with the Sony A3. Good morning. We're about to go check out everything that's in the bag. And my boy Anthony. What's up, dog? You don't want to be in the vlog, so we can't have too much. This guy is the guy who owns the white truck. You guys will see during the whole year everything that's happening with that. Cool? So in a bit, we'll see what's up. We're going out here right now. Adam! What's going on, man? Adam's in the building. Why you look so dreamy, bro? Oh, it's because this fucking $5,000 camera. Woohoo! The problem? What up, guys? Louis, Martin, with the Lamborghini. Dude, look how dark it is. And then bam, it's fixed. That's the RAM right there, guys. So the RAM, you guys well know, the RAM. I should turn my mic around. Hold on, guys. Anyways. The RAM, you guys, is gonna be finished today. Has to be done today. Oh, nice. They already got the radio in there. See that? Turn on my ISO. So the RAM is right there already. Radio in. They're now just testing other stuff. We gotta put that box in here. What's up, buddy? How you doing? How you feeling after that 12-hour shift yesterday?
Tired. My head hurts.
Yeah. Too much chemicals?
Yeah.
What are we doing now? What are we testing for? Oh.
They come glued onto the truck. So they came on glued.
What's that wire?
This? Off the back.
Oh, shit. So, how you feeling? You feel like you're gonna knock this out today?
I hope so.
What the hell's going on over there?
The resin's not drying.
Well, probably like it's too fancy of a car.
Probably.
What's up, Ant? What are you having on, huh? All right, Ant's ready for project number 3. He's gonna be putting in on his other truck a whole other system. Oh, yeah, much better. Let me just fix this shit. Alright, so this is cool right here. My boy made this bracket so that way we can utilize the factory mounting holes. See that? Where the factory screw is? And we're gonna do that with all the amps. See, that's the Moscone right there. So we get a zoom in shot. Utilizing the factory brackets. Where'd you learn to do that, bro? What mobile solution school? Audio Systems 101. Thank you. The Lamborghini last night, they stayed doing the box. They mounted all the amps. Factory location, use those factory bolts you saw right there. And now we're gonna do the pillars. So the pillars are today. Then they take it, and we won't see it till Sunday. All right, so we got Adam just putting that tape right here, so that way we can seal it off, right? These are massive woofers, made by Massive. Get it? Pun intended. Look at that. Ooh, yo, you look professional when you did that. All right, right there's the first sale of the day. Stole radio. That's what's up.
Yeah, that's from my week.
No, because yesterday I sold something. I sold something today. It's not even yet. You know what I mean?
No, pregúntale a Saúl. ¿Sabes dónde va a estar?
Hey, this is RAM. We're gonna be working on right there. Just to put a double dent simple. No steering wheel control and no and bypass. Cool. They got that going. They're working on that. We got other projects, right, baby? They're working on all this stuff. So, Godspeed to us, man. Godspeed to us. I'm gonna tell you right now, this camera's a little harder to hold than the GoPro. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make work pretty.
Luis, ¿qué dice el calor? What? 100. Eek. Nope.
I think that's why I felt it harder yesterday because I think there's more humid.
They got to redo the headliner. Because 1, 2, 3, no puedo. Actually, we know Luis can. Luis, are you teaching him what he did wrong? You fucked it up?
Yeah.
¿Cómo? So where'd you find that cable? That thing's thick as fuck.
Okay.
Those wires.
Either one lamp.
Damn.
Hey, so that amp is 150 per channel?
Yeah.
Really?
So the mid basses are gonna bang, bro.
Jack says it's gonna have more power than his car.
Yeah. That's why I went with that setup, dog. I picked it.
Bruh.
Well, we picked it, but I picked it too.
Bruh.
You were gonna get 2 amps only.
Bruh.
Look at this selfish devil.
Really?
I was like, let's get the 3 amps. Let's go with the GBs. I'm just kidding. GBs wasn't my idea.
No, you wanted a cell phone count. Huh. I was hoping he went for full count, but then you hear Jack's car and he's like, fuck
Full count's the way to go, because full count, you know, they do a lot for the community of rich people. Just kidding. They just do a lot.
I seriously thought we were gonna have him take full count. He heard Jack's car and he came in saying, fuck full count.
Yeah, that's true.
Yet again, he didn't compare apples and peaches, you know? She didn't compare apples to apples, you know?
So do we. And we did too now. This is the camera I'm gonna be vlogging with for the rest of my life, son. Hey, I'm staying with you tonight. I'm staying till at least 11:30. What? That's messed up that you don't believe me, bro. Hold on, they can't see you. Let me turn down the ISO.
Ready? Ah, this is how they get you, bro.
No, it's not,
You get
man.
home, fucking 30 minutes late. This comes out of the closet, bro.
No, I don't.
Check your back. Send them a picture of your back, bro.
They're gonna get
Send
scared.
them a picture of your back.
Get scared of that culo. You're right, Luis. You're the man. You know what? OC who? My boy Luis will take care of it right away. El más mejores que hay. Sorry, guys. You guys are okay. ¿Así mejor, güey? Claro. Sí lo levanta chingón, güey. Alright, man. Go back inside. We got a couple hours. Video's about to drop in an hour. Woo, I'm happy. What up, man? Check it out. It's been a long day. We're gonna be working on the car Sunday. Cause Saturday, he is not gonna be here. We're gonna take the car Saturday. We're gonna bring it back on Sunday. And get that taken care of. You can Modelo after hours. This is the after hour vlog.
Oh, damn.
Bam. Bam.
We can't show the bottom because he's wearing no pants right now. Nope, can't show that. Nope. What do you guys say for the camera?
Are you recording?
Yes.
So the system's cutting out from a bullshit ass installation. So we're gonna fix it because the customer's right there.
Yes.
So
All right, hold on. All right, hold on.
So the problem was we have two 15s with 5,000 watts. Accordingly, it couldn't handle the fuse, so we're gonna have to upgrade the fuse.
Let's have a looky.
Finger pop the fuse. Oh! They popped the fuse, and we just gotta fix it. Well, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Jack over there. We're working on after hours.
Look at this mad scientist working right now. Wow. Making the CNCs. Yo, so we're taking a break. Got that Starbucks McDonald's break. You know, you guys saw me just burn mine. I'm about done with my drink. That we're gonna have it today, and it comes back Sunday. Unless you knock everything out tonight. Give him a phone call. Let me see the time it is. Who has a watch or clock?
It's 9:30.
9:30. If by midnight we finish this bitch, then it's gonna be amazing. This is the guy who's gonna make us, if we finish it or not, it's gonna be him. If we finish, it'll be because of this guy. Right a bit. Right. Huh? Right. So, we're test fitting the doors right now. Pull out my light, man. We're test fitting the doors right now. We as a junior, and we're gonna make some modifications. Okay, guys? It's late. You guys know we're here for you. We love you guys and give you the best content. That's all I can say right now.
So I don't like the way the speaker is positioned, so we're gonna have to change that. So we're gonna have to probably make new adapters for it. That way we can get more output from the speaker, because the speaker. So yeah,
Cool. You know the jungle has its rules, and I just gotta keep it cool. And I'll be treated like a tool. So don't be acting like a fool. Look at you.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. I make content every day. I just need to see if you guys like it.